Hi, Rob here from Business Buddy Chartered Accountants, and this morning I want to talk to you about the upcoming income tax deadlines that are looming on the horizon. So who has to file an income tax return this October? There are three classes of taxpayer who must file a return. The first class is anyone who is self-employed. Secondly, if you're a company director with more than 15% shareholding, you must also file a return. And thirdly, if you have non-PAYE income, which the revenue cannot tax through the PAYE system, you must also file a tax return by the end of October. The deadline is extended to the 10th of November if you are going to file and pay your return through the Ross Online system. So, how do I complete and file my tax return? Well, you have two options for completing your tax return. The first is paper-based. You get a paper return, fill it in and post it into revenue. And the second option is to register with Ross and file it online. In fact, if you register with Ross, you get an extended deadline to the 10th of November, but you must pay and file to get the benefit of the extended deadline. If you're in a refund position, hopefully you will be, and if you come to Business Buddy, we'll try our best to get your refund. The refund will be sent to your bank account directly if you've given them that details, or a cheque will be posted out to you. And at this time of the year, the most common question we get asked is, what is preliminary tax and how much do I have to pay? Well, preliminary tax is a payment on account for the current tax year. So in 2016, you pay preliminary tax for 2016. And you have two choices. One, you must pay 90% of what you estimate the final liability to be, or you can pay 100% of last year's liability. We recommend option two because it's very rare to estimate exactly what your liability is going to be, but you know what last year's is, so if you pay 100% of it, you avoid any interest, penalties or surcharges which the revenue might levy on you if you get it wrong. The deadline for payment is the 31st of October, and again that deadline is extended to the 10th of November if you file and pay through Ross. If you have any queries on your income tax return for 2015 or your preliminary tax for 2016, we'd be delighted to help you, and please give us a call. Thank you.